Welcome to the 2025 Liberty Cruise Motorhome experience, where your journey begins with freedom, luxury, and adventure all rolled into one incredible machine. If you're ready to hit the open road in style, you're going to love what this 2025 model has to offer. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Liberty Cruise commands attention with its bold front grille, full LED lighting system, and aerodynamic body that's built for both power and beauty. It's not just a motorhome, it's a statement on wheels. Powered by a refined turbo diesel engine, the 2025 Liberty Cruise delivers a smooth yet powerful driving experience. Whether you're traveling through mountain passes, coasting down scenic highways, or exploring off-the-beaten-path campsites, this motorhome handles it all with confidence. It's equipped with an advanced suspension system that absorbs bumps and keeps the ride steady, giving both driver and passengers unmatched comfort on every mile. Step inside and be amazed by the space and elegance that surrounds you. The living area welcomes you with plush leather seating, a convertible lounge, and a smart entertainment setup that includes a large HD screen and premium surround sound. The LED ambient lighting throughout cabin gives a cozy vibe perfect for movie nights or just relaxing after a day of exploration. In the kitchen, you'll find everything you need to cook gourmet meals on the road. It features a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, stainless steel sink, and tons of storage cabinets. It's designed to feel just like home, with the convenience of modern appliances and beautiful finishes. The dinette area doubles as a workspace or extra sleeping area if needed. As for sleeping arrangements, the Liberty Cruise doesn't compromise. The rear bedroom features a luxurious queen-size bed with memory foam mattress, overhead cabinets, and USB ports for charging your devices. The bathroom is thoughtfully designed too, with a separate shower, eco-flush toilet, and a large vanity with plenty of storage. Whether you're planning a weekend escape or a cross-country road trip, the 2025 Liberty Cruise Motorhome is built to keep you comfortable, connected, and ready for anything. Thanks for watching our car show today here on the 2025 Liberty Cruise Motorhome channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome motorhome reviews, road trip tips, and all things travel. See you on the next adventure.